Hi, good morning, friends. Each set of wings on the planet was born to fly. When the wings are grounded, it brings misery and pain. For any soldier, a fallen wingman means an emergency, be it big or small. This pigeon was spotted by me today morning, and it looked to have suffered some kind of paralytic attack, as was unable to move. Looking at this helpless creature, I had no choice but to perform a simple drill as done by any rescue worker.
You're okay? Are you okay? I'll take you to hospital.
The KTM became the ambulance, and I took precisely 40 minutes from Dwarka to reach the biggest bird hospital, which is located right opposite the Red Fort. The Jain Bird Hospital in Chandni Chowk, Delhi was founded in 1956 and has a capacity of nearly 10,000 birds. Each day they receive more than 60 to 70 birds, and they know the tricks of treating them well.
इसको ठंड भी लग रही है, बुखार हुआ हुआ है
अच्छा
और पैरालाइट भी है।
अच्छा तो ठीक हो जाएगा
हाँ, टाइम लगेगा 15-20 दिन।
बट ठीक हो जाएगा
Individual treating the bird informed me that probably in next 15 days, pigeons should be able to fly back. No doubt, the fog and busy traffic of Delhi involved nearly 2 hours of riding, but I was satisfied as it brings hope to a new day when I can see the fallen wingman fly again back to the sky. Jai Hind and ride safe.